Alright, we're recording. Is it?
Hey, we live.
Straight out of the suburbs.
Hello. Wave to the car.
Hey, what's up? Hey, you need time?
He looks like Samuel Jackson.
Oh,
Like
shit.
famous, bro. 572.
Wait, hold the laptop.
Famous.
I got the laptop.
Good morning, Kanye.
Bro, he looks.
Hey, look at me. He looks like.
Let me see my
pic. Take a pic.
Nah, you gotta see the black part. Yo, are you
That's what
blind?
she said.
You blind, bro? Right there, right there.
Yo, Vitor.
What you talking about?
You wave to the cars.
Hey, you need time?
MTV
Just walk
Cribs.
up to someone. Hey, you want an autograph? Where's the... Let me see the pic.
Oh,
That's
dude.
not Vitor. That's
Hey,
the white.
check out my new movie.
That's the white mom.
Coming out into the
Oh
theaters.
shit! This actually looks like a fucking movie star.
Hey, man, I look like Matrix for real, bro.
I'm telling you, bro.
Bro, where's your camera, bro? Let me take a picture.
Oh, I forgot the club, bro.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay.
Hey, you need time?
Oh okay.
It's
No,
584.
bro,
Where's the
do it.
camera? It's 584.
Till the cross game is over.
584.
Now it's practice.
That's like 634.
Oh! Too drippy, bro.
Bro, where's your camera? Let me use this.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh.
Poof! Hit the car.
Is it good stuff?
Yeah, your zooms are good.
Yo, can you do a trick?
Sure.
Yeah.
I can't.
I'm sweaty. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm big. I'm crazy. Ready?
Is it in frame?
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, wait, let's try a night shot. Nah.
Oh!
Fire!
Huh?
Yeah,
Oh, wait, good.
super hot fire!
Oh.
Did he spell it? I'm stupid.
Zoom out. Track him. Zoom out and then track him and then zoom back in.
Dude.
YouTube video.
Or a good TikTok. Dude. Did we post this on TikTok?
Yeah,
It looks good.
straight TikTok material. 100% boyfriend material.
Alright, let's look at the filming.
100.
Look at the camera.
Wonky slime.
Some cars.
What you recording?
My balls.
Okay. What's up?
Blue face, bitch.
Oh, wait,
Blueface, baby.
wait, skate.
Huh?
Skate.
What about skate?
Someone has to hold this.
Someone has to
Hold
film
the
and someone
camera.
has to.
Hold this.
Hold on. I'm gonna put this.
How do you zoom? Yeah. No, not on here, on that.
Yeah, right here, this thing.
Oh, okay. Can you hold the computer?
You hold the computer and then I'll skate.
Like, just when it moves. You move with me.
Alright.
That way? Person, which way? Old man.
Play that.
way? That
No,
way?
go right here.
Middle-aged
Right
guy trying to look young.
Let's go.
You know what we should do? We should go to
Let me go to the gas station. Hey, let me get a pack of cigarettes, please.
Oh, he does it fair.
Walmart. Wait, honestly,
Bruh.
Oh! Ooh, yeah, that was a clip. Keep up with jumping.
You want to make? Yo.
You filming the wrong people.
Oh!
Get out of here.
What's going on?
What's up, cutie?
I know what you did, man. I know what you did.
Oh!
I'm a cop.
I remember going for the make again.
You can do it.
You fuck it up.
You gotta commit.
Okay. It's right here.
Or at least you missed. Oh, that would have been clean.
I'm off.
Paula.
What's wrong? What is wrong? No, no.
There you go, there you go, there you go. Oh, that was such a... Dude, that would have been so clean. We can edit it.
Yeah.
My mom was like, you didn't call, what the fuck?
What time do you have to be home?
I should have been home like at 12 here.
Shit.
Yeah. They're probably not gonna let me drive. Fuck.
You gotta get ass whooped.
Oh, damn. That would have been clean. You can do it. Oh!
Okay, now I'm like.
Yeah, that one was kind of ass. Coming this way is better.
Yeah.
Oh! Flick that bitch.
It looks like you're out here doing research.
You're doing research for a group.
We're filming a porno.
Oh shit.
Oh! Damn! Okay, nagged himself. Commit!
Commit?
Commit!
I'll commit if I don't commit.
Ooh. Oh, fuck, that would have been clean.
Did you see anything wrong?
Yeah, you're not flicking hard enough.
Damn.
Now I just need to get over the
Hey, boy.
I'm doing in my territory.
Oh shit.
Yeah! Fuck!
Finally. This time, bro. This time.
Come on.
that counts.
Is it?
No, he's gotta stay on, ride for a bit.
Well, I just realized we're gonna show up to like CC's.
Dude, I gotta go.
What? I thought we were going to McDonald's.
We're not clicking hard enough.
One big. Oh! Commit to the board. Commit.